how I bought this house with Amazon FBA, the actual real unedited story. Let's go. All right, so I literally hate all of these videos that people make about their houses and their mansions and their cars. But I was wearing this Stanford hoodie today and I was walking around this new house and I thought, I have to tell you guys the real story because everyone out there on the internet, you either want to know if it's possible to make money online, you want to know if Amazon FBA is a real thing, and you also want to know, is this stuff legit? So let me just give you the unedited story. Is that cool? And I'll give you a tour of the house at the same time. Is that cool? Okay, so first and foremost, let's start with Stanford. As we come into the living room, my favorite part about the place is definitely this TV. I mean, look at how thin that is. Oh, it's glorious. But my whole story started when I was visiting Stanford University. I played basketball my entire life, and so I think I was a junior in high school, and I got an offer to play basketball at Stanford University. So that's pretty big, right? And I went on. I can still remember it to this day. It was my birthday, and we are on the Pacific Coast Highway, and we're driving up to Stanford from LA, me and my dad. And my dad's playing the song California Love. Now you guys know that. You guys know a little bit of that. We're playing that song, so we're going up to visit Stanford, and I ended up not liking it. It was just something about the way the players were and the people that I met. It wasn't the right vibe for me, right? And so I ended up not going to Stanford University. I went to Northwestern University in Chicago, which started the entire journey of basketball. But okay, as we go, I know I'm doing a combination here, guys. I'm doing the house tour. I'm doing the life story. I'm doing the Amazon story so that you guys don't get bored. Okay, so one other feature of the house. There's a chandelier here. It's a pretty cool chandelier. I like it. Seems great. The first thing my wife did when we bought the house was she was like, we need to get that thing. She has this other chandelier that she loves that we're going to get that replaced with, which is cool. And then also I really like this fireplace right here. It's not real, but it's so beautiful. And one of my favorite parts is that you can change the color. I love changing the color. Okay, it's really cool. So anyway, I play basketball at Northwestern University. I transferred because my coaches kept getting fired. I transferred to Drake University back in Iowa. Duquesne University ended up here in Pittsburgh. So that's how I ended up here in Pittsburgh. Okay, you guys get it? Cool. Then I broke my hand, as you can see here. Broke my hand, which means that the ball kind of stopped bouncing for me. I would have played professionally overseas most likely, but the ball stopped bouncing. And so I ended up getting a job in a cubicle at Duquesne University. And many of you guys have heard this story where I was a business consultant, but I hated my life. I know many of you guys have been stuck in a cubicle and it sucks, right? And I was also living in a tiny little apartment. I'm talking, it was probably as big as, let's keep doing the house tour. Well, here's the table. I love playing chess. I love this little chessboard. Oh, that might be my favorite part of the house. Our realtor made this for us. She's incredible. She literally painted this. Look, it's like 3D. How cool is that? Okay. But anyway, my apartment was probably as wide as this kitchen. So here's the kitchen, very modern, whatever. But I mean, this space right here, this space here was as big as my whole apartment, probably. Probably it might be bigger. And so that's when I started the Amazon FBA business, was in this tiny little space. And you can see the boxes here, and you can see me trying, organizing them and stuff like that. And the reason I started the business was because I was making like $27,000 a year after taxes at Duquesne, which isn't a lot, right? And I know I don't know what situation you're in, but for me, I was like, this is not what I was made to do, right? I can't do this for the rest of my life. And so I started the Amazon business literally, I hate to break it to you guys at Duquesne, but it didn't take me a long time. I hate to admit this. Anyone else been there where, you have a job, but you don't really need to work on it for the whole time you're there? I was there, the first couple hours, I got all my work done, and then I was working on my Amazon business at my desk at Duquesne. I'm sorry, I know it's not what I was supposed to be doing, but I did it, okay? And so I sourced these cornhole lights, if I'll put them up here. Basically, they were the bag toss game where you play bag toss. It was that game, but lights for the holes. And I did amazing with that product, okay? And so now that we're talking about a bag toss game, I guess I'll take you guys outside. It's freezing right now, but it's not too bad. It's pretty sunny. So out here, obviously got the couches and all that in the fire pit and stuff, but the thing I love the most is this TV right here. It's really bright, like in the middle. Look how bright it is. Like it's sunny, but you can still see it. I love that. But anyway, talking about cornhole, because there's a little, that's my yard. I might have to mow that yard with scissors or something. I don't know. But anyway, the cornhole lights took off. I got my business partner Taylor on as my partner. Fantastic, right? Super cool. And we started the business and we started doing really well. We got it up to like $80,000 or something a month. Within 3 months, we launched like 15 products, and by that point, it was like, people were asking us, obviously, like, how'd you do it? How'd you do it? I want to do it. Help me do it, you know? And so we started teaching people how to sell on Amazon, which was fun, which was actually really, really fun and rewarding. Okay, here's the basement. It's not very, very nice. It's just, look, my head almost hits the ceiling. Look, I told you I was tall and played basketball. Look at this. I mean, but got the love sack down here, just a little place for people to crash, you know, whatever. We get people going. We teach people how to sell. And we start this company called 9 University, okay? And so at first it was kind of just videos, you know, it was like, you know, like a course. And this is when it started to get real, right? I wanted to show you, I meant it when I said, guys, I was going to give you the unedited version, okay? Can I be very honest with you guys? I don't like all the gurus. I don't like all the courses. I think courses are a joke. I think they're overpriced. I think it's just like, we did not want to do another course. We're headed upstairs now, okay? We did not want to do another course. Another course was not our intention. There's enough courses out there. So we immediately started adding the support that really makes a bunch of videos turn into something more of like a family, something more that you can actually grip onto and do it, right? And so we hired a bunch of people and we started an amazing company that grew to, at one point we had over 100 employees on payroll, 100. Right? And so that meant that everyone was getting one-on-one attention. Everyone was getting a coach. Everyone was getting 24/7 support. And so it wasn't like videos. It was like, hey, look at my actual Amazon account. Look at my actual Amazon product and let me know what you think. You're an expert, right? Let me know what you think. So this is the office. It's not done yet, as you can see. There's a bunch of boxes here, a bunch of boxes here. Like IKEA is ready to rock and roll. It's going to be really cool. I'll give you guys an update later, but that's my office. It's nice to have a home office. I know many, after this 2020, guys, wow, we're all thinking about where is my home office, and I'm very blessed to have a specific space, whether it's done or not. Just having a space for your office that isn't anyone else's space, oh, best thing ever, right? And so, once we were teaching people, this is another guest room right here, cool. I'll stand, oh, I like this bathroom a lot, check that out. Super dope, super modern. Anyway, I'll stand at the balcony here. This is my wife's favorite part of the house because you can see over the edge. And tell the rest of the story real quick. Where was I? So we have a bunch of employees. We have all this stuff. We have software now. We have photography now. We have video. We have a whole gamut of services. Gamut, what a word. We have a ton of services to help people to sell on Amazon. Basically a platform for you to sell on Amazon. Every single thing you would ever need, right? And so that's how we got the house. Is we first of all did it. We became great at something, right? Which was we became great at Amazon. And then we turned that around and we figured out how to teach people effectively, and we really focused on not ripping people off with just, oh, here's a bunch of videos. We focused on the people, building a team, a massive, great team that could actually help people to be successful. And so that's why we've had so much success with people that work with us. Like I could throw up screenshots all day long, boom, 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 all day long of people that have had success with our program, but I don't think I'm going to, or I'll either blur them out. I don't know what I'm going to do because it's against the rules, honestly. You're not supposed to show specific results, specific stuff like that. And so I don't want to lead you guys the wrong way. I don't want to tell you, this is the laundry room, by the way. It's nice to have a laundry room. Anyway, okay, let's go upstairs and we'll finish up. But I don't want to, that's why I hate this. Like, it's nice. I'm sure this will capture a bunch of attention and get a bunch of views, maybe millions of views. Woohoo! Because I showed you my house. But I hate it at the same time. Like, I hope you can tell I'm being honest. Like, I hate it. I hate that I have to show you where I live in order to get your attention. I hate the fact that I have to do the things that all the other gurus do when that's not what we do at all. It's the opposite. It's literally the only reason we started 9 University was so that we wouldn't be like those people, right? That we would build something different, that we would help people actually, physically, one-on-one help people. And that's what we've done. And so, whatever. I mean, it is what it is. I guess this is the only way that I can grab attention on the internet these days. But the reason I want to grab your attention, okay? Here's a little mini bar. I love this part of the house. Little mini bar outside the master bedroom. Obviously the bathroom for the master bathroom is the best part of the house. Like my green pants? Check that out, baby. Ooh, looking sexy. Told you I got dressed up for this, you know? But that shower is insane. The tub fills from the ceiling. What? But whatever. The reason I have to do this to grab your guys' attention is literally, we got his and her closets, is because I have something that I can actually help you with, okay? I can actually help you sell on Amazon. And whether you believe it or not, whether you think this is just another one of those videos, another one of those guys that's fine. You can go and live the rest of your life. But there's some things, this is the, the bedroom. I didn't make the bed. There's a little balcony. Great. I'm starting to get annoyed with this tour already. I just hate, I hate being check out my house. I will show you the roof though. You're going to love the roof. It just keeps going up. It's just insane. What was I saying? Oh yeah, Amazon. I mean, you can think what you want about me. I mean, that is what it is, right? But at the end of the day, you have to recognize that after 2020, right? Whoa, it's windy up here. After 2020, there's really no excuse for believing anything other than Amazon is taking over the world. Amazon is taking over the world, and you can either come along for the journey, okay? Or you cannot. Like all of these houses out here, right? All of these houses down here, all of these houses down here, and the millions of houses here in Pittsburgh, right? They are all shopping on Amazon. So you can either, say that all of these people trying to teach Amazon are scams, which a lot of them I'm sure are, or you can just jump on board and take advantage of the fact that regardless of me, regardless of my business partner, regardless of anything like that, if you learn how to sell on Amazon, this is a fact, okay? If you learn how to sell on Amazon well, you will be able to do things that your friends, your family, the people you know the best, the people that thought you would never make it, the people, your boss, the people that think that you're always going to be stuck in that stupid life that you have right now that you don't like, or even if your life's great and you personally want it to be better, and you personally have been like, why am I still here? I could be here or here or here. I could raise my level here. You can do it. If you learn how to sell on Amazon, you can absolutely 100% do it. And I'm living proof of that, okay? And I know I have multiple income streams. I know that I have a giant company with 100 employees that helps to fund, this house. And this house isn't even a mega mansion. It's a nice house, but it is what it is. There's me and my wife. Look at her. She's freaking beautiful. God, I love that woman. What was I saying? At the end of the day, it comes down to, for most people, getting out of your own way. And I hate to break it to you guys, but most of you guys are in your own way, okay? You've heard about Amazon before, probably 12 times, probably 500 times, but you've never actually done anything because, it's too saturated, or it's probably not real, or it wouldn't work for me, or I'm too old, or I'm too young, or I'm too white, or I'm too black, or I'm too whatever. Like everyone has an excuse, right? And at the end of the day, that's all they are. That's all they are. So whether it's Amazon, whether it's, starting a Chick-fil-A, it's going to take hard work. It's going to take effort. It's going to take blood, sweat, and tears. It took years to get to this point where I could show you guys this house. And I don't even want to show you it. That's the stupid part. But it took years and effort and work and all of that blood, sweat, and tears. And we're never going to shy away from that. So at the end of the day, you can think what you want about me, but if you click the link below, we're going to take you through a process that is not like a normal process. It's not like, just come and buy my thing. It's amazing. Buy my $1 million product. Just buy it. No. What we're going to do is we're going to interview you and we're going to figure out if it's a good fit on both sides. We have enough money. Okay. I got a house. I'm good. I got my fireplace. I got my chessboard. As long as I can, to be very honest with you guys, okay? I hope you can tell. Am I being honest? Look at me in the eyes. If I could I don't need any more money, okay? If I could just sit here at night with my wife, play chess against some of my friends, watch TV every once in a while, hang out, go for walks around the neighborhood, read books, listen to podcasts, that's all I need. I don't need a lot more. So I'm not concerned with it. I'm not worried whether you like me or hate me. What I am worried about is you being successful, okay? Because if you're successful, then I'm more successful. And also, we all have a lot more fun. It's way more fun dealing with customers who actually, they're like, I'd love to work with you guys at 9 University. Great. They come in and they have success. They crush it. They travel the world. They post their literal pictures of themselves in an RV, a nice RV with their family, traveling the world while they're working from a laptop. Or they post the screenshots of their sales and they say, I just paid off my house. I have thousands of these examples. I'm not even joking. Those things are worth it to me. Those are the people that get me up in the morning, right? The people that come in the program and they're like, I thought I would give it a try because you seemed like a good guy, but this is a lot of work. And so I'm out. I quit. You suck. Those people, I don't really got time for you guys anymore. I'm not going to lie. At the end of the day, I don't even care. If you're gonna be one of those people, don't click the button. Don't click the link. Please don't. Save yourself some time. Save me some time. I don't wanna work with you, okay? And so we are only gonna work with people that are serious, people that have what it takes, people that actually want to do this Amazon thing right, which means work hard, have great education, have great coaching, great consulting, great photography, great videography, great software, great optimization, all of the things that you need, which there's a lot of things. Those people that are like, oh yeah, start your Amazon business with $200 and you'll be making $1,000 a day in 3 days. Those people are insane. There's a million steps, just like there is with every other business, okay? And Amazon is a real business. It's a very easy business it's a lot easier than this business I'm doing right now. This one where I have to walk around my house and tell you guys about, oh, how cool I am. And then I have to literally want to help you sell on Amazon. I have to basically hold you by the hand and guide you through Amazon. That's much harder than just doing it yourself. Just do it for you. All you have to do is coach yourself. I have to coach thousands of people. It's hard, okay? So when it comes to all these other businesses that you could think of starting, or I could be a YouTube star, I could be an Instagram modeler, I could be X, Y, and Z. No, okay? Just focus on where the money is, okay? The money is on all the products that are coming to your door every single day. COVID happened. Everyone orders everything, and the only thing that matters is this doorstep, okay? Everyone is fighting for it. Every retailer wants to deliver excuse my language, stuff to your doorstep, okay? And Amazon, sorry to break it to you, Walmart, Apple, all you other companies, Amazon won. It's over. 50% or more of all online sales go through Amazon. That's it. It's a wrap. It's over. They've won. They're faster. They're quicker. They're getting better every day. I can literally order stuff from my rooftop up there. Remember the roof? We were on the roof. I can sit up there on my laptop, order something, and it will show up the same day here in Pittsburgh. The same day. The same exact day. Right here. Boom. 2 hours I can order food from them. So, okay. I digress, but you've watched long enough. Yeah. You're probably like, oh, I don't know. I don't know. Should I do it? Do it right now. Click the button below. There is never going to be a better time. And if you're not going to do it now, I would encourage you just to not watch any more of my videos, okay? Stop wasting your time pretending like you're going to do something different, okay? Stop wasting your time watching all the people on Facebook and on YouTube tell you how to make money and then say, it's not for me. Stop wasting your time. Seriously, just only watch cat videos or only watch chess tutorials. Why would you watch me? Why would you watch this whole video and not take action? Clearly, you want something different for your life. Clearly, if you watch this long, you want to actually do something different. You want your family to look at you. You want to have your family over to your house that you worked your ass off for. I'm proud of this house. I'm proud of that, mostly the TV. I freaking love the TV. I'm proud of it. Because I worked my fucking balls off for it. I worked 12 hours a day for a long time, okay? And now I earned it, and now it's here, and I'm proud of it. I'm proud of it when I show my friends and family. I'm not proud of the fact that I have to stand here and try to convince you that I'm a normal guy. It's so stupid, but I'm losing track of it. But I know I'm losing track of where I'm going with this story. But all I know is that I'm talking to some real people out there. You're watching this. I know it's on Facebook or YouTube or whatever the frick it is. And you think I'm just some guy on a screen, but I'm not. I was you. I was you. Okay? I was you. I worked in a cubicle. I made no money. I had no plan. I had nowhere to go. And I didn't have people asking me, how'd you become so successful? I didn't have people saying, oh, that's such a nice house, man. I wish I could have a house like that. Oh, that car you drive, that's super cool, man. I didn't have any of that. Nothing. No one respected me. No one cared about me. No one had my back. There was nothing. I had no future. But I didn't sit back and watch a video like this and then not take action. I'm not saying I'm the only way to success. I'm not. You could probably do it yourself. Good luck. It's going to be a lot harder. But if you click the link, I guarantee you I can help you. I guarantee you this company can help you. And I guarantee you, most importantly, I guarantee that you have it in you. You have it in you to do something different and better and powerful for your family and for your future and for your kids and for your grandkids. And I hope, I'm looking right in the camera right now because I believe it. I hope you can hear it in my voice. I believe that you can do it if you put the work and the effort in and if you click the link and work with a great team. So I'll see you guys there. Click it right now. If you're not going to click it now, just give up on it. Seriously, just it's fine. I'm good with it. I am good with you making a decision. Make one of two decisions. Number one, click the button. Let's see if we can do this Amazon thing. Number two, I'm no longer interested in Amazon. I think that I'm never going to sell on Amazon, even though it's taking over the world. and every product, the whole world is online and every product is sold online, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to do something else. That's cool. Just make a decision right now and I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching this. See you later. Bye.